Hey guys, welcome back to Andrew and Hazelle Travels. So if you follow us on our Instagram, I'm sure you're aware that while I was in South Korea, Hazelle was in Finland. So today, Hazelle will be flying on Finnair's latest aircraft, the Airbus A350. This is Finnair's launch in Helsinki airport. It's a very nice launch with a good variety of food selection. Well, it's not a big launch actually, but it's definitely not overcrowded here. So business class on their A350 is laid out in a 1-to-1 reverse herringbone configuration, which means every seat has a direct aisle access. And yes, this looks quite identical to the one on Cathay Pacific's A350 as well. There are two business class cabins here. The one at the front has no overhead compartment in the middle, while the one at the back has it. This means the cabin looks and feels more spacious, but of course, you got less space to store your hand carry luggages. The legroom here is decent, but if you're a tall person, then it will be quite tight for you actually. And here, thumbs up to Finnair for providing some very good noise cancelling headphones from Bose in business class. Finnair's A350 has an awesome tail and landing gear camera, which gives you a spectacular view during takeoff and landing. The touchscreen is very responsive. Movie selection here is quite good, and there's plenty to watch. The interactive map is very cool as well. Here, snacks are available at the front throughout the flight, so you know what to do if you're still hungry after dinner. So you get a blanket, pillow, slippers, and the amenity kit. In case you're wondering why they all look the same, well, they are all made by the Finnish brand Marimekko. They even have a Marimekko livery on their A350. This design definitely makes you feel like home. So soon after that, it's time to sleep. As expected, the seat converts into a fully flat bed. so breakfast was served before landing. Hazelle opted for the cheese and ham omelette. So all in all, this business class ticks almost every box for a good business class product. Probably the only box it didn't tick is that Finnair doesn't provide PJs on business class. But apart from that, this is a very good product. Alright guys, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review. Stay tuned as I'll be bringing you more reviews very soon.